Welcome to my channel, ketomealsandrecipes.com. Today I'm going to demonstrate how I make a very easy and absolutely delicious Thai shrimp coconut curry soup that my entire family and I all think it's better than takeout. This healthy and nutrient-dense soup has all the classic flavors you love about Thai food. And like classic Thai food, this recipe also focuses on balancing the 5 key flavors: spicy, sour, sweet, salty, and something bitter, which combined make the most delicious flavor. So if you love Thai food, please watch this video to the end for all the tips and explanations that I give as I'm making the soup. And if you have a moment, I'd appreciate hearing from you, so leave me a comment and your thoughts on this recipe, or whether you like Thai food, or if you have a special Thai recipe you would like me to try to make. For your information, the macronutrient ratio for this delicious Thai shrimp coconut curry soup is 1.3 to 1, with 11.7 grams of total carbs, 1.7 grams of soluble fiber, 1.4 grams of insoluble fiber, resulting in 8.6 grams of net carbs per generous serving. On this tabletop, I have assembled and prepared all of my ingredients. I find that if I prepare everything before starting, the cooking is much easier and faster. Okay, let's begin. First, get your soup pot, put it on your stovetop set to medium heat, and drop in your coconut oil. For cooking vegetables and other things, I prefer to use the refined coconut oil, but you can use the raw if you prefer. When the oil has melted, drop in your sliced onions, the yellow bell peppers, also called capsicums, and the red bell peppers, again called capsicums. Stir occasionally as you cook for about 4 minutes, just until the vegetables are at the al dente stage or just starting to get soft. Next, push the vegetable to the side of the pot and make a clearing in the center. Drop in your tomato paste and, using a spatula, spread it out a little bit. Then cook for about 1 minute. By cooking it for this time, it will reduce the bitterness of the tomato paste and make the tomato paste taste sweeter. Now add the grated ginger and grated garlic. Stir well to combine and coat all the vegetables. For the next ingredient, you have an option. Add either the Thai green or, if you prefer, the red curry paste. I had the green on hand, so that's what I'm using today. Both taste really nice. Stir well to combine the paste with all of the other ingredients and cook for 2 minutes. By layering, you're developing the tastes of each of the ingredients, which adds to the complex flavor for this soup. These ingredients will be smelling really nice, so it's time to pour in the broth. You can either use vegetable stock, or, as I am, use my homemade chicken bone broth. Link for that is in the description box. Also, pour in the Thai fish sauce and your granulated sweetener, and stir well to combine everything, and then cover the pot with the lid. Once you've brought the liquid to a light boil, pour in your coconut cream, the solid and the liquid, and stir the coconut cream until it has dissolved into a homogeneous mixture with the broth. Then again cover the pot with the lid and bring everything to a light boil, at which point remove the lid, drop in the cleaned raw shrimp into the pot. And by the way, I prefer to use the shrimp that are completely clean, including the little bit of tail has been removed. Then give everything a quick stir and cook the shrimp to a light pink stage, at which point it is time to season the soup. My first ingredient I'm adding is dry basil leaves. Stir them in. Also season with salt and white pepper, or if you prefer, you can use black pepper. I prefer white. Next, pour in your freshly squeezed lime juice. I would not recommend substituting it with lemon juice. Stir them in. Lastly, add your chopped cilantro, also called coriander, and stir well. At this point, all of your ingredients are in the soup, so reduce the stovetop heat to medium-low and bring the soup to a simmer, at which point continue cooking for 10 more minutes. The soup is all done and my entire kitchen smells amazing. I think to get the best flavor, serve immediately while this soup is freshly made and still hot. As you can see, the soup doesn't take that long to make, so whatever you wanted to serve with the soup should have been done before making the soup. I hope you will enjoy this tasty and healthy, easy to make soup as much as we do. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch my video. Your time and support are greatly appreciated. Please come back next Thursday morning when I post my next video. Until then, I hope you have a very happy and healthy day. Cheers!